Everyone, my name is Dheeraj Giram, and my today's topic is what is multitasking in Java. A thread is a path of execution through a program. Many programmer exist with just a single path of execution. Operating system often allows multiple processes to coexist, and the OS shares processor time between them. The processes are isolated for each of the OS, but they should not be able to overwrite each other memory. Languages like Java, C, C++, C Sharp allow a single application to have more than one thread of execution. A thread is a smallest unit of execution in a OS. Multiple threads in application share a same memory, same process space. They have access to the same memory. A lot of times a computer is doing nothing, often waiting for a user input or a slot peripheral devices. A computer can use in space time by multitasking more than one process completing for the CPU, and then multi-threading more than one thread completing for the CPU. Threads can be used to allow application to do something else while it is waiting. Start more than one task at a time rather than the wait for one to uh, complete before starting another. Start processing data before all the data has loaded. Maintain and achieve user interface. The interface does not die while processing takes place. Threads are two ways to creating in a Java. The threads class can be subclassed and an instance of the this class use. This is most appropriate when the functionality of the thread it is largely independent. Any class can implemented the runnable interface. An interface of the thread class is constructed using an instance of the runnable class as an argument. This is appropriate when thread must work in the context of the specific objects. Either case the key method is run, the life of the thread exists through the execution of run. Then it is very easy to start multiple threads. If the thread are largely independent, then the design is somewhere easier. However, at some stage, threads normally want to share some data. All threads in an application have access to the same memory space. When a thread may lose its time slice in a appropriate in a most cases. Access to shared resources by multiple threads may lead to deadlock, threads starvation, and race conditions.